Okay, I had a little fried rice left and I got breakfast, so I took the egg from breakfast and I'm gonna mix my sausage in. It's like having fried rice, but I'm not cooking it. I'm just heating up my fried rice from the leftover, making it frugal. And I got me some rice, leftover rice that I haven't used, and I mix it in. So the only thing I don't have with me and on me is soy sauce. But this is like eating fried rice. And I'm gonna mix up some sriracha, like I always say. Give it a little color. I'm not stir frying. I'm not doing anything. No cooking. It's just mixing in my motel room. Mixing the food like a combination. No propane gas stove. No frying pan. No nothing. I'm just stirring it up. Mixing it up. Give it some color. But if I don't have soy sauce, I use fish sauce. Can't believe I threw away my soy sauce when I needed it most. Always carry a bottle of soy sauce with you everywhere you go. And then, let's see, you can put vegetable in and give it a little kick to the flavor. I'll put some salt and pepper. Oh, salt. It's almost like soy sauce. It flavors and seasons the rice and the sausage. It's almost there. I'm having my fried rice. Well, non-fried rice. My combination fried rice. Okay. Let's taste it, see how it tastes. Not that bad. Got my MSG too. I love eating with MSG. No bugs, no insects, no pests. Nothing can get into it. Keep it fresh and keep the humidity out. Something to eat better than nothing to eat. Never leave home without this fish sauce bottle. It gets very pricey right now. Just a little dab, a little drizzle. It's not soy sauce, but it's something. Give it a little flavor. This is my breakfast, fried rice. I don't have to wait in line for the restaurant to open, but you make it frugal. Whether it's left over, you save it for the next day. So you can cook, have your combination. so I don't have to go starving. I go order, let's say, egg drop soup, and then I'll have them give me a tiny pint of rice, and then I'll save that rice, and then since I'm staying at a motel right now, we have breakfast, so I take the eggs and I mix it together, and then I have the sausage, and I mix it together, cut it into pieces and mix it together. Something to eat better than nothing to eat, but I'm missing my soy sauce. That's the only thing. And I got my orange juice, so put in a coffee cup. I like to save my bottle of orange juice and I recycle it, so I rinse it, clean it, and then use it, refill it with more orange juice. So people think you're stealing or taking whatever. No, it's just after you buy up your bottle of orange juice, you drink it all up, rinse it, wash it, and then reuse it for another orange juice. People can't even tell. That's a lot of rice for a little tiny pint. After you mix everything together, it's a big plate. I'm just eating a little bit so I can save my tummy to go to Orlando. Today I'm going to eat at the International Boulevard or something. I don't know how to get there, but I'll GPS it. But I'm going to eat at Boston Lobster.